Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this big chrome tuna in Fish It Roblox. So this metallic monster is one of the best way to farm cash, and here I'm going to show you the specific location where I got the fish and also the setup gear that I use. So as for the location, you can get it on the ocean in here, and I'm going to show you the exact location I got the fish. So for the location, I got it from this locations right here where you see this megalodon Han location. So this is where I got the fish, and as for the rod, I'm using the ghost fin rod and the floral bait to get the fish. So you can just try your luck and fish in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.